What's up, y'all? This is Eddie, owner of Easy Vending. I just wanted to make this quick video showing y'all how I got a bulk machine in an office building. This just opened up my mind to new possibilities. So check out the video. Tell me what you think. Comment below, like and subscribe. I appreciate it. I'm out here, y'all. Got me a location for a bulk machine in an office building. About to go take it up in there. You know, this gave me an idea. I'm gonna tell y'all whose office it is in a sec, but this actually gave me an idea for some more machines. But let's get the machine together and go put it in. About to go up in here real quick. Trying to get through these damn doors to carry this machine. One hand ain't easy. And of course, they got the spin door. Nice little building too. Can't wait to get this machine up there. Man, if I can get multiple machines in a building like this, y'all, that would be awesome, man. Just service multiple machines in one building. Man, you know how big that would be? We're gonna see how this goes. Just to get y'all a quick look at it. Machine that in the office.
Can't take my picture, bro.
My brother.
No, take my picture.
He don't want to be on camera.
Yeah, no.
But nah, this is the office, y'all. That's where the machine is at. He said I'm stupid because I should have filled it up. So we'll see how that go. But first office building machine. All right, y'all. So I just went ahead and dropped that off. Yeah, I'm about to try to get some more locations in this building, man. There's like multiple floors. I mean, there's great opportunity in here. I never even thought about this before. So we're gonna see what happens, man. This might be the thing. All right, y'all, so I just dropped that off at the office building, and of course, like I said, that's actually my brother's office, and I asked him that on a humbug, man. I wasn't even really thinking about it. I was just like, hey, y'all want a candy machine in your office? He was like, sure. And then the more I thought about it, I'm like, man, you know, in a building like that, there's who knows how many offices. So I mean, I know everybody might not want one, but hell, if I can get a few more in there, then shit, you know? Not only would that make for easy servicing, but it will also, you know, be good for business. But I'm just thinking about the servicing aspect of it. You know, if I had 10, 15, 20 offices in there or more, that all I had to do was just go floor to floor, door to door and service, that'd be awesome, man. So, you know, I'm gonna start working on that and see what happens. But yeah, first office building location, man. Really opened up my mind and gave me some new ideas. Just wanted to let y'all know about that one. Now I gotta go to another new location. Alright guys, and this is the second location I added today, a tattoo shop. This is actually the 6th location I got in about the last month and a half or so.